Manakamna Temple. This is Manakamna Temple. This is approximately 106 km west of Kathmandu, the capital of Nepal, and about 94 km from west of Pokhara. For going to Manakamna Temple, we need to use rope car. For going in rope car, they charge rupees 550 in Indian currency and 840 in Nepali money. It is far from Gurindar to Manakamna 5 km. While we going, it is rainy, so we can't take the video properly. But while coming, we take lot of video clearly. So watch the video fully, don't skip the video. See the background, it is full of natural sceneries. It will take just 10 to 15 minutes to reach. We have to walk for just 5 minutes from there. In early times, the only way to reach Manakamna Temple was by a long travel for 3 hours. Now we can use rope car and reach in just 10 minutes. It is very easy to reach Manakamna Temple using rope car, and it is very exciting while traveling in the rope car. Manakamna Darshan is the most popular during Dasara in the month of September and October, and Naga Panchami in the month of July and August, during which time devotees stand for long as 5 to 10 hours to pray Godless Bhagavati. The Manakamna Temple is located 1300 meters above the sea level. We nearly going to reach Manakamna station. This is Manakamna Punitha Yatra. Nepalis are visiting the Manakamna Temple as Punitha Yatra, so they visit at least once for the year. It is raining now. The climate is wonderful. We are going to reach Manakamna station. Now we reach the Manakamna station. From here it will take just 5 minutes to reach the Manakamna Temple. This is the Manakamna station. The place was rainy. We are now in Manakamna Temple. Manakamna Temple is a Hindu temple dedicated to the Godless Bhagavati, an incarnation of Parvati, and it is situated in the village of Manakamna in Pokhara district, Nepal. This is the Manakamna Devi temple. The Manakamna temple is built in the traditional Nepalese pagoda style, feature a amdation outside, a span over 7,659 ropani. Manakamna Darshan is most popular during Dasara in the month of September-October and Naga Panchami in the month of July-August, during which time devotees stand for a long as 5 to 10 hours to pray Godless Bhagavati. This place will give you the peaceful feeling. Manakamna temple was built in the 17th century during the reign of 2 kings of Pokhara. When you visit Nepal, you must watch the Manakamna Devi temple. In early times, the only way to reach the Manakamna temple was by a long travel for 3 hours. Now we can use the rope car and reach in just 10 to 20 minutes. and we have lot of shops near the temple. You can have the snacks in that shop. In that shop they will serve you the food. We have lot of variety of snacks in that shop. There is lot of shop behind the temple. We can have the snacks there. It was raining outside. It was nice to eat the snacks while raining. They will serve you the lot of food items. You can enjoy your food. It was raining outside. Again we reached the rope car. In between distance from the Kurendar and Malkin station is 5 km to reach. Manakamna temple, the time taken to be travel these two stations is 10 minutes. The station which is located in the hill of Manakamna station. The rope car was opened by Nepal Prince Dibendra Bir Bikar Shah in the year 1998 November 24. The cable car usually operates during the daytime from 9 am to 5 pm and stop during lunch break from noon to 1:30. The cable car system was imported from Austria and guaranteed 100% safety. It was features such as automatically operate generator in case of power fail and hydraulic emergency drive. The employees worked at the cable car service are qualified and well trained for emergency. With 31 passengers car and 3 cargo car, in cable car handle up to 600 passengers per hour. For one time the cable car carries 6 passengers. The Manakamna temple is located 1300 meter above the sea level in the Kafada hill, which is settled in the confused between the Tirsuli and Marsali in the Svetland rural municipality of Kokra. It is approximately 1006 meters west of the Kathmandu and the capital of Nepal, and about 94 kilometers from the west of Pokhara. Many mountains can be seen from the hill, including the Annapurna, Lemjuhim and Buddha, which the path of Mansul, the 8th highest mountain in the world. By hiking from Anbu rural municipality, it takes about 3 hours to reach Manakamna, which is about 1000 meters away. Alternatively, the Prims take the Manakamna cable car, which built in the year 1998 for about $7.5 million of US dollar. See how the scenery is. It looks gorgeous. It has lot of rivers, hill, and we can see the greenish scenery. If you visit Nepal, you must watch the Manakamna temple. It will give you the wonderful feeling. While going, we cannot take the video clearly, but while return, we use the small space in the rope car and we taken the video clearly. It is an amazing experience for us. So you must visit the Manakamna temple for at least once. It gives you the wonderful feeling. It will give you the peaceful feeling. See the scenery how it is. It is full of greenery. In this way only we traveled on the rope car. It is approximately 106 km west of Kathmandu, the capital of Nepal, and about 94 km from the west of the Pokhara. Manakamna temple is the Hindu temple dedicated to the goddess Bhagavati, an incarnation of the Parvati, and it is situated in the village of Manakamana in Gokra district. For going to Manakamana temple, we need to use the rope cart. For going in the rope cart, they will charge. In Indian money, it is 550. In Nepali money, it is 840. It is far from the Kurandi to Manakamana. It is 5 km. See the scenery. Still it was raining. You can see the cloud. Now we are going to reach the hill. See how the scenery is. You can see the cloud, full of cloud. It was the wonderful experience for us. You can see lot of tree. This is the Kandaki river. We are going to cross that Kandaki river. You can see some house here. You can see the scenery. It is full of greenery. You can see some homes there. This is Kandaki river. See how the clouds are. Still it was raining there. Now we are going to cross the Kandaki river. This is the Kandaki river. Like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. This is the parking area. Now we are in the parking area. This is the ticket. We can use this for once. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you visit the Nepal, you must watch the Manakamana temple. It is a wonderful place for the tourists for visiting. You must have to visit. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.